Howdy y'all, my name is Cletus, and I'm here to tell y'all about this little mashed potato called the Silvertip. Wooster is one of them fancy companies located just over yonder across the water, wherever the heck in Ohio. Their primary focus is on darn near assembling them best sun-dried tomatoes and paintbrushes, like this one right here. Wooster's Silvertip brush is our personal best-selling paintbrush here in the store. It's made with them polyester filaments so that the paint you're using levels out better than the peanut butter on mama sandwiches. It's got a soft Brussels sprout as opposed to a firm Brussels sprout. Being one of them darn soft Brussels brushes, it allows the Silvertip to leave a feathery smooth finish, kinda like them duck feathers my brother Skeeter got us last fall. It's able to be used with all them different kind of paints, but works best with water-based paints or latex paints. Just not latex paints, which rub worse than a flea-bitten coon hand rubbing on a stump. One thing you might want to reconnoiter would be that the ferrite on the brush will rust when using a latex or water-based paint. However, the ferrite is rust resistant, and how they manage to breed them rust-resistant ferrites is beyond me. It is a fantacular brush for high-fluting fancy pants painting jobs, and it'll turn out better than my last family reunion when I accidentally mistaken them mushrooms that old Red chewed up and spit out for my Aunt Beth's famous mashed taters. Let me tell you, that did not end well, but using this brush here will end well.